Guys, today I'm gonna tell you about all the user mode sections, what means the P01, P02, etc. in dryer MIELE. So as you can see, now we are in the settings mode and we have a P01. That means this is a level of the drying of the cotton. The P02 means the level of the delicate laundry in the delicate mode. The P04 is a temperature of the cooling. P05 is a volume of the beep sound. And the next one, P06, it's a sound of the tones. The P07 it's a pin code. The next one is a connectivity mode. The P11 it's a control panel deactivation modes. The P13 it's a memory. The P14 is an anti-crease function. P19 it's a activate of the beep. The P20 it's a air duct indication. P22 it's a dimming of the lights LED. And P00 it's a fabric mode. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.